As we start this video, we ask you to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help us grow our channel. Also, if you like this graphics card, make sure to use our affiliate link to buy it. The gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Twin-Edge DLSS 312GB GDDR 6x192-bit 21 Gbps PCIe 4.0 compact gaming graphics card by Zotac is an impressive addition to the market of high-end gaming graphics cards. Boasting top-of-the-line features such as IceStorm 2.0, advanced cooling, and Spectra RGB lighting, along with a generous 12GB of GDDR6X memory. This card is sure to catch the eye of avid gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. In this review, we will take an in-depth look at the performance, design, and overall user experience of this product. Performance. Featuring the latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture, the RTX 4070 Twin-Edge is a true powerhouse when it comes to delivering high-quality graphics. With a base clock speed of 1700 million cycles per second and a boost clock speed of 2040 million cycles per second, this card can easily handle even the most demanding games and applications. The addition of 12 GB of GDDR6X memory also ensures that there is plenty of room for high-resolution textures and detailed graphics. One of the most impressive features of this graphics card is the DLSS 3.0 technology. DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling, uses AI to boost performance and image quality.